今日はデジタルイラストレーションについて話そう。
Hey Alice, have you been working on any digital illustrations lately?
Yeah, I just finished a piece inspired by nature.
That sounds cool. What kind of nature elements did you include?
I used a lot of trees and mountains with a sunset in the background.
Nice. I love sunsets in illustrations. They add so much color.
Exactly. I used a gradient to blend the colors smoothly.
What software do you use for your illustrations?
I mainly use Procreate on my iPad. How about you?
I prefer Adobe Illustrator for vector art.
That's a great choice. I love the precision of vector graphics.
Yeah, it's perfect for clean lines and shapes.
Do you ever combine both styles in your work?
Sometimes, but I usually stick to one style for each project.
That makes sense. It helps maintain a cohesive look.
Exactly. What's your favorite part about creating digital art?
I love the freedom to experiment with colors and shapes.
That's a great aspect. I enjoy the ability to easily undo mistakes.
For sure. It takes away a lot of the pressure.
Do you have a specific theme you like to explore?
I often explore fantasy themes with mythical creatures.
That sounds fun. Do you have a favorite creature to illustrate?
I really enjoy drawing dragons. They're so versatile.
Dragons are awesome. Do you have a specific design style for them?
I like to mix realistic and whimsical elements in my designs.
That's a unique approach. It must make them stand out.
I hope so. I try to give them personality through expressions.
That's a great idea. It adds depth to the character.
Exactly. I think it makes the viewer connect more.
Do you share your work on social media?
Yes, I post on Instagram and Twitter. How about you?
I mainly share on Instagram too. It's a great platform for artists.
I agree. The art community there is really supportive.
Have you ever participated in any art challenges?
Yes, I did Inktober last year. It was a lot of fun.
I've heard about that. Did you enjoy the daily prompts?
I did. They pushed me to try new things.
That's awesome. I should try it next time.
You totally should. It's a great way to improve.
What's your process like when you start a new piece?
I usually start with a rough sketch to outline my ideas.
That's a solid approach. Do you use references?
Yes, I often look up images for inspiration and accuracy.
That's smart. It helps to have a visual guide.
Definitely, it keeps my proportions in check.
Do you have a favorite artist that inspires you?
I really admire Hayao Miyazaki's work. His worlds are magical.
He's a legend. I love the detail in his backgrounds.
Me too. It adds so much depth to the storytelling.
Have you ever tried creating backgrounds like that?
I've attempted, but it's challenging to get the same feel.
It takes practice for sure. Keep at it.
Thanks. I'm always trying to improve my background skills.
That's the spirit. What's your next project going to be?
I'm thinking of illustrating a fantasy forest scene.
That sounds beautiful. I can't wait to see it.
I'll definitely share it once it's done.
Please do. I love seeing your work evolve.
Thanks, Bob. Your feedback means a lot to me.
I'm always here to support you.
I appreciate that. It's great to have artist friends.
For sure. We can motivate each other.
Exactly. Collaboration can be really inspiring too.
Have you collaborated with anyone before?
I did a small project with a friend once. It was fun.
That sounds great. What was the project about?
We illustrated a children's book together.
That's amazing. I'd love to hear more about it.
It was a story about friendship and adventure.
Perfect theme for a children's book.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun bringing the characters to life.
I can imagine. What was your favorite illustration from it?
I loved the page where they discover a hidden treasure.
That must have been exciting to illustrate.
It really was. I went all out with colors and details.
Sounds like a standout moment in the book.
It definitely is. I'm proud of that page.
You should be. It's great to celebrate those achievements.
Thanks. I'm always looking for new projects to tackle.
That's the way to go. Keep pushing your creative boundaries.
I will. What about you? Any new projects on the horizon?
I'm working on a series of character designs right now.
That sounds exciting. What's the theme?
It's a mix of sci-fi and fantasy elements.
That sounds like a fun blend.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying the creative process.
I can't wait to see the final designs.
Thanks. I'll share them once they're ready.
Awesome. I love seeing your unique style.
I appreciate that. It motivates me to keep creating.
We should plan a virtual art session soon.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's set it up.
For sure. I'll bring my sketches, and we can brainstorm.
Perfect. I'll prepare some ideas too.
Can't wait. It'll be fun to bounce ideas off each other.
Definitely. Collaboration sparks creativity.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it.
Same here. Let's make it happen soon.
Sounds good. I'll message you to arrange the details.
Great. I'm excited about our art session.
Me too, it's gonna be a blast.
All right. Talk to you later then.
Bye, Bob.
No more lines.
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 No more lines. No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
Lines.
No more 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 lines. No more lines. No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
Lines.
No more 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 lines. No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.
No more lines.